C-U-T, C-U-T, C-U-T. Cut, 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 C-U-T. Cut, cut, C-U-T. Keep the scissors straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead. Turn the paper around instead. Cut, cut, C-U-T. Cut, 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 C-U-T, C-U-T, C-U-T. Cut, 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 C-U-T. Cut, cut, C-U-T.
Now that that's over, you are going to line up all your pages. Make sure that you're lining them up at the top because all of the bottoms will be different lengths. Okay, now that that's all lined up, you're going to staple it. I would staple the sides and the middle. And bam! You got your final product, people! Woo!